Alright, good people. So I did a long video earlier, but I'm just gonna sum up my day. Alright, so right here, right around 2 a.m. On a 15-minute, we actually have some movement, right? Matter of fact, let's look at it on a 1 hour. So we had a bearish candle form on that 1 hour, which if we go to the 15-minute, you'll see how it's fragmenting out into a bearish downtrend, and it's under that 50, right? It's actually crossing right here at the 10 and the 20, right? This is a downtrend this way, and this is a downtrend going that way, right? But at that point, our only confirmation for downtrend would have been here, right? So what did we do? We set it up for the sell, and I believe I entered somewhere around here, and guess what? All the way down. Let's see if I catch it right. Somewhere around here. So we was looking at like 86 pips, depending on your lot size. You ate early, between the hours of 3 a.m. to 5:30 in a 2.5 hour situation right there. You ate. But then we had a doji form, right? Gave us some confirmation. We got a small trend line we set up, right? And you typically do not take buys. If you're a beginner, do not take buys under the 50, right? And you'll find out more about that on the other side of our mastermind. These could be some risky situations where you're dealing with retracements. And if you don't know how to trade those retracements, you could really blow your account. So if you're on a basic level, I highly suggest you find out what your overall trend is, which right now in this situation is selling, right? Actually the USD is looking hawkish, which is putting this in a sell or a downward trend. So, you know all of your factors that's gonna cause your trade to trend up, and that will cause it to trend down. But here we caught those pips, and then boom, that doji form, right? So possible indecision or reversal. But what happened here on the next candle, it shot up, and boom, it respected this trend line, continued on an upward. If you look back to previous market structure, this black line here is resistance in this situation, but also support. Going back to a previous downtrend back in February. So this is a very valid zone here, where we expected it to pop off of that zone and trend down, which it happened, right? And then it rallied up to begin the second leg of our M formation, which is also known as a double top. Once we receive confirmation of the reversal, we set up, let me move all this here. As you can see, I TP forward that and beyond. I still have positions open. I actually had some small positions in between, but I have positions open still that are gonna swing until tomorrow with this particular currency pair. But once we have received confirmation on the reversal, then boom, set up. You set it up. Set up your trade. Let me delete that. Here's where the true confirmation came in. Right here, this cross. All right, and we'll teach you more about that cross. But right here was where it was truly confirmed that this will continue to trend down because this cross here. So essentially what happened was this M formation pattern began, and this could have retested this line and continued on the upward, but we were looking for it to come down to here and break this structure here and continue downward, which it did. So far our analysis today on the British pound US dollar has been on the money, and we have been able to generate pips along the way by going into buys on the retracements, and then as soon as we received confirmation right here at the reversal, we went right back into a sell. So we caught a lot of pips. Today is March 23rd, 2021, and we've been pipping since 3 a.m. in the morning on a sell. Do not trade on a retracement until you get to a certain level. But when you at a certain level, you can do that. So that's all I got for you today. GU is going to continue on the downtrend and respect this trend line here. And it's going to be more pips. More pips. I'll catch you on the other side. Make sure you click the link in my bio, or make sure you click the link below or above this video to join my mastermind trading group, where there are 6, 7, 8-figure traders, master traders, and educators that will help you get to the next level in your trading career. Trading Forex, cryptos, binary options, and more. We're also diving into NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and how to capitalize off of digital real estate and the digital market. So definitely check us out. Click the link, push the button, push the button, push it, push it. Peace out.